Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so dearly for always tuning in. I really appreciate. Today, the first time you are coming across us, so you are hearing this voice for the first time. We still remain Progress News, and we give you all the latest updates. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and I'll be right back.
This we are see here, and then I would like to ask Hope. Hope, how far now? Hope, no be way the way where you take make mouth, you they get the report too. Even your machinery, they won't run away. I hope they are telling you, say, no be waiting, you tell them that seeing. You did not tell them that these people are well trained, well organized, very deadly and dangerous. Are they not been giving you that report? They are telling you that you did not tell them that these people you tell them, you call them tout. You call them, waiting, what other name you call them again? Unexperienced people. But your machinery now is telling you that it is not what you told them they are saying. That these people, you did not tell them that they are experts. They are well trained, well organized, very deadly. Your expertise is giving you this report too. Say you deceive them. And you are begging. You are begging them to try to put more fire force. You are even double their money. But let me tell you, at the end, there was those of them that will remain before 7 days. Before 7 days. Before 7 days. You see, tomorrow war. If they manage to return back alive tomorrow, if they come next tomorrow, all of them go die. You understand that we have come that we may restore Biafra. And there is nothing that can stop us from doing so. It doesn't really matter how many una be. It never really matter waiting and waiting where una pack come. But what we know is one thing. That thing where you cook for us, you go chop am. The thing where you carry come to our land, now you go take am. You understand me so? That thing where you carry come, now you go take am. That food where you prepare come, we go there here, they wash you, chop them, finish. And then at the end, Biafra must come. Yes. 100% assurance is what we have given you. That you can't stop Biafra. You only waste life of your people. You waste your money and you waste your time, joy. At the end, Biafra must be met. Okay? So, 5 days is about to run out for the 7 days. Say you say 1 month, say you go feed day reach 2 weeks. I beg, bring more. Bring more. Okay? Because the way where you take the die like this, how many go still remain for this 1 month where you declare war? You never see something. And as I always say, what is greater than you is Biafra. And waiting go kill you is the same Biafra. And then if you think that you are man enough, come and try. The harder you try, the harder you will fall. The more you try, the more you will lose. You see this war? We are 100% giving you this full assurance that you will never win. Huh? We see the here. We still dey here. Grigba. We know they move an inch. We know they move and we will never move. We cannot move. Nothing can move us an inch. When you are done, you tell us we go start our own. And when we start our own, the whole world will shake. You know as we they do now. So for my beloved brother and sister, share this. Share this. And let it go far. Let the world know that we are here to do the needful. And nothing will stop us from restoring the glory of our ancestors. Share this. And let Hope know that he's fighting a loose fight. Tunumbu should know that he's fighting a loose fight. We are fully prepared. And nothing can stop us. Tell them that nothing can stop us. And they know they're feeling the heat. They're testifying it. At the end, the next thing they will say is, Ho, He, Biafra. Ho, He, Biafra. Oh, 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 He, Biafra. That is what they will be shouting before they die. And even the one that will remain, that is what they will be shouting. And nothing you will tell them that they will listen to you again. If you tell them move forward, they will say, Oh, hey, Biafra. You say, move forward, soldier. They will say, no, oh, hey, Biafra. Oh, hey, Biafra. That is at the end. That is what will happen. And this glory of Chukwuokike Abiama will fully be restored back to this land of the rising sun, where his children will worship him in truth and in honesty, where the love will restore back, where humanity will be respected, where lives and property will have value and meaningful to the living being, where civilization will be appreciated, where water will never be our problem, light will shine even into our forests, that you don't need torch to go in the dark night, where the road will be tar everywhere, where the seaport and the airport will be well designed, where our children, our women will be respected, where our old women and old men will be taken care of, where your resources will indeed become a blessing to you as the indigenous people. Yes. Where education will be valuable and uneducated will also be valuable, where handwork will be appreciated, no matter how a little you know. Yes. Where well hospital will be built and our sick people will be well taken care of, whether having money or not having money. Where your tax will yield more fruits for you as a retired officer or civil servant. That is a civilized war we are about to build, and that is what we are fighting for. And if you think we will not achieve it, then you will die, because definitely we must achieve it. And Biafra is the result, end result of it. Biafra is all we need. Biafra is all we are asking for. And Biafra is all that we will have. And Chukwuokike Abiama, the creator of heaven and earth, our Chi, have already promised us that, and it will never fail, and that it will give to us. And those of you that are coming. Bear in mind that you only come here to die. We are sorry. It is not in our mind to kill you. Never in our attention. Biafra doesn't kill. It doesn't take life. That thing where you cook for us, now you go chop am. You will not even know when you take the same hand you take poison us and put in your mouth. We are the children of the Most High God. We are the children of God. We know, but we must defend ourselves in other way. It is our right to defend our life. It is our right to defend our soil. It is our right to defend our women, our children that are not able to defend themselves. It is our right to do so. Why you come to who have already gone to the land beyond? We are very sorry. We are to their people then left behind. I don't know how then they put it. They bereave Oyibo. We are sorry. No be us here to defend ourselves. And some of them go tell you the truth. Say many a time, no be. Therefore, you have only one option that can save your life. Why you can? Leave the territory of Biafra. Leave Biafra land and keep your life safe. Refuse. Thank you so very much, children of the Most High God. May Chukwu Okike Abiama guide and protect each and every one of you as you keep praying for the success of these holy angels. Chukwu Okike Abiama can never abandon this project. He will always be there, just as he always be there at the end. Only him we will praise. And our children will continue praising his praise of victory. And our children will keep praising his praise of victory. Because it is only him that is giving all this victory. Our Chi is at work. Our Chukwu never sleep. Our ancestors, they never abandon us. They are at work. They are working seriously. If you never see, use this fight and know that indeed they are working. Thank you very much. Go on down on your knees and praise Chi, for you have won again for today. Tomorrow we'll talk about himself. From me, from the land of the rising sun, precisely the land of Biafra in Osumowo. It is still good evening from your brother Holy Ghost.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share, and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.